There are some beers, it says non-alcoholic beer. Is it halal to drink this kind of beer or not? The answer, remember what we said, the reason alcohol is haram is why? Because it's intoxicate. It's intoxicate. It takes your, insanity. Whether mildly or severely. But if the beer is not intoxicant, it has 0 alcohol or 1%, very, very minute percentage, that would never pose any risk for your sanity. You're not going to be intoxicated at all. In this case, it is okay. So I don't care about the name. They can put any name. Non-alcoholic beer. In some Muslim countries, they put the word halal beer. Halal beer or whatever. You name it, anything you want. I don't care for the name or naming. What I need to focus on the liquid itself. Is it alcoholic or not? Is it intoxicant or not? If it's intoxicant, even mildly, I'm not supposed to drink it, even a small amount of it. But if it's not, then I don't care about the name. Just change the name to anything else. What I need to focus on the reality. And the reality is that this drink is not alcoholic, it's not intoxicant. Yes.